The big bird. Jeb, Jill, and Mom wait for the bus. Here is the big bus, calls Mom. The bus pulls up. Jeb and Jill race to the bus. Mom said, "Look, the bus has a face." "Hop in," calls the driver. He has a red cap on. He has a blue shirt on. "What is that?" said Jill. "It is a bird cage." I'm sorry, is it a bird cage? "It is a fan," said the driver. We take the bus to the zoo. "It is a nice place," said Mom. They see birds of blue, green, and yellow. "What is in the big cage, Mom?" "It is a bird with a green face, Jill." "What did you like best?" asks Mom. "The big bird in the cage," calls Jim. "The bus with a face," calls Jeb.